Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 4K IPTV. Ever wondered what makes 4K IPTV the future of television streaming? Our sponsor, www.2tv.store, offers the best IPTV service available worldwide. Let's take you through a step-by-step guide to get set up. The first thing you need is a stable internet connection at home. Next, you'll need an IPTV subscription from www.2tv.store. You can use a smart TV, streaming device, or even a laptop. Now, download and install your chosen IPTV app on your devices. Input your subscription details and voila, you're ready to stream. With IPTV, you'll access international channels and premium content easily. Let's conclude by exploring IPTV's affordable and unmatched quality. Thank you for watching. Enjoy seamless, high-quality streaming with 4K IPTV.